Hello children, today we will do the online study of Standard 10th Maharashtra Board, Subject Geography, Chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Today we will discuss about the natural vegetation in India and Brazil, and also we'll see the different wild animals and birds in Brazil and India. So first we'll begin with the natural vegetation in Brazil. You can see the photographs are given in your textbook of animals, birds and plants. Cactus, Brazilian pepper tree, bird named rufous-bellied thrush and Brazilian jaguar, green anaconda. Flora means plants and fauna means birds. Plants' growth depend upon rainfall. So where the rainfall is much more, then the plants growth will also be more. In Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography. Most of the Brazil is lying in the tropical region where the rainfall is more, so there is evergreen forest. Where the rainfall is less, there the forest is deciduous type. Depends upon the temperature, location, or it also depends upon the land that is available on which the forest is depending. Highest biodiversity is found in evergreen forest. In the coastal plain, reptiles and grasslands animals are found in Brazilian highland. In Amazon river basin, you can find the arboreal and aquatic animals, example dolphins or fish. In the mountain area, we can find various types of apes, monkeys, and reptiles. Depending upon land, climate, and topography, different animals are found in Brazil. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. In regions which receive rainfall only during the certain seasons, the density of the vegetation reduces. In regions where the rainfall is less, the thorny vegetation is grown. Thorny shrubs means plants like cactus, pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, rosewood. These are the plants which are grown where there is high rainfall. You all know about photosynthesis. Plants take carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. Because of this, lots of oxygen is released from evergreen forest. So this oxygen is very helpful for human being. This evergreen forest is also called as lungs of the world. Now we will learn about the Indian vegetation. Here the map is shown in the textbook. Index is also given. If information is provided here, look at the map. You will find that most of the parts are covered with evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Dark green is evergreen forest. Here rainfall is more. Light green is deciduous forest. Here the rainfall is less. And grey is the thorny shrubs. This is the ring shadow area of Maharashtra Deccan Plateau, and some part of Gujarat and Rajasthan are having thorny shrubs. Light grey is Himalayan forest and blue color is the coastal forest where the mangroves are being seen. These coastal areas are mainly found in the deltas, example the western coast of India and the eastern coast of India. So in this region, more than 2000 millimeter rainfall and sunlight over green forest are found. The leaves of the trees here are broad and green. Example, rosewood, rubber, etc. Types of creepers. Example, money plant. Highest biodiversity is found in evergreen forest. In regions receiving rainfall between 1000 millimeter to 2000 millimeter, deciduous forests are found. In dry season, trees shed the leaves so that water is not lost due to evaporation. For example, banyan, bamboo, teak, etc. Regions that receive less than 500 millimeter of rainfall experience dry summer. Here the thorny shrub type of vegetation is found. The leaves of trees are small in size. Example, cashew, acacia, kejari, and and varieties of cactus like aloe vera. In swammy areas means the marshy land, or we call as dal. Coastal areas having a saline soil, here the coastal types of vegetation is found. Mangrove plants are seen here in huge amount, and it seems like the plant float in water. These plants are also important because these are saving us from high tides. Mangroves are mostly found in the Sundarban region. The name of the tree is Sundari. Because of this tree, we also having the name Sundarban. Coastal type of vegetation is called as Sundarbans in India. The wood found in the Sundarbans is oily, light and durable. In Himalayas, three types of forests are found. In areas located at highest altitude, seasonally the flowering trees are found. In this region with the medium altitude, coniferous trees like pine, deodar, etc. are found. At foothills, mixed forests are found. This includes both the coniferous and deciduous type of forest. And the vegetation is scarce in the high altitude of the Himalayas. As the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The climate is very cold in the high altitudes in Jammu and Kashmir, and the parts of the Himalayan temperature drops minus 40 degrees Celsius. Also, this region is snow covered over most part of the year. Comparing both Brazil and India, equatorial forest found in Brazil because of its near to the equator and gets more rainfall and sunlight. So this kind of the forest is found in the Brazil. And the grasslands are found in Brazil but not in India. The coastal forest is found in India but not in Brazil. Also the Himalayan forest is not found in Brazil. In both the country different types of trees are found. But in case of Brazil they are having many different kind of forests because the location of Brazil is different and most of it is located near the tropical region and also the equator is passing through the Brazil. So there are grasslands, swammy land and because of this evergreen forests are found in Brazil. In both Brazil and India, forest occupation will flourish but as compared to India, Brazil will flourish more because of the forest. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the Brazil wildlife. Thank you.